Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello everyone. Now student, be ready to learn a very interesting story. Lesson number 38, The Magic Kettle. Now see here, first of all I will read the story. A tanuki is a small furry dog-like animal found in Japan. There are many imaginary stories about this playful little animal. It is believed in the stories that a tanuki can take the shape of anything or any animal. Here is a story about a tanuki and a peddler called Jimmu. Now see here student, first of all, a tanuki is a small furry dog-like animal, okay, and it is found in Japan. There are many imaginary stories, okay. Imaginary means unbelievable, or only we can see these types of story in our dream only, okay. Imaginary stories about this playful little animal, okay. It is believed in the story that the tanuki can take the shape of any things or any animal. Here is a story about a tanuki and a peddler, okay. Now this is one of the new word, peddler, called Jimmu, okay. Now see here, the meaning of peddler means a person who sells things from door to door. Now see next. Once in the country of Japan, there lived an old man. He lived in a beautiful house high up in the mountains. He was proud of his house with its white straw mats and pretty papered walls. In warm weather, he slid back the walls to let the smell of the trees and the flowers come in. Okay, now see here student, once in the country of Japan, there lived one old man, okay. He lived in beautiful house high up, his house is very high up in the mountain. And what is about more interesting about his house, that he was proud of his house because its white straw mats are there and pretty papered walls are there, okay, in his house. In the warm weather, he slid back the walls to let the smell of the trees and the flowers come in. Now see here, first of all, the meaning of slid, S-L-I-D, slid means move easily, okay. It is very nice to get a smell of trees, flowers which are come inside in this house. So this man was very proud of his house, okay. One day he was standing looking at the mountain opposite when he heard a kind of rumbling noise in the room behind him. He turned around and saw a rusty old iron kettle in a corner. How the kettle got there, the old man did not know, but he picked it up and looked it over carefully. Now see here, one day what happened, when the man standing there and looking at the mountain opposite, he heard some noise, okay. When he go there and check out, he saw there one rusty old kettle, okay, kettle. Now first of all see the rumbling. The meaning of rumbling is there. Rumbling means what? Making a low continuously sound, okay. It is known as a rumbling. And rusty kettle means covered with rust or reddish brown layer that forms on old iron, okay. This is called the which one? The rusty old kettle, okay, just like a old kettle. Then he picked up this kettle and looked it over carefully. See here, we can see the picture of rusty old kettle, okay. Now see what happened next. That's a piece of luck, he said, smiling to himself. My old kettle was getting worn out and this looked like a good kettle, okay. Now he was very happy because his old kettle was not working properly, so he need this kettle. So he was very happy to see this rusty old kettle. He filled the new kettle with water and put it on the fire. As soon as the water in the kettle began to get warm, a strange thing happened. The man thought he must be dreaming. The handle of the kettle slowly changed its shape and became a head. The spout grew into a tail. Out of the body of the kettle sprang 4 paws. In a few minutes, the man was watching not a kettle but a Tenuki. Now see here student, what happened when he put this kettle and when he put water into this kettle and he put it on the fire. As soon as when the water is become warm, the strangest thing happened student. The man through he must be dreaming. Okay, उसको लगा कि मैं ड्रीम देख रहा हूँ कि क्या. The handle of the kettle slowly changed into shape and become a head. The spout grew into a tail. जो उसका हैंडल था किटल का वो स्लोली चेंज हो गया, उसका शेप हेड में चेंज हो गया. द स्पाउट ग्रीव इंटू अ टेल. उसका जो स्पाउट था वो टेल में कन्वर्ट हो गया. ओके, नाउ सी व्हाट हैपन नेक्स्ट. Now the spout grew into a tail out of the body of the kettle. Sprang 4 paws in a few minutes. Okay, उसको 4 paws भी आ गए, 4 paws भी उसको आ गया. The man was watching not a kettle but a tenuki. Okay, it is changed into a tenuki. The tenuki jumped off the fire and bounded about the room like a kitten. It ran up the pretty papered walls and even across the ceiling. The old man could not catch it. He called his neighbor for help. Somehow they caught the tenuki and shut it up in a wooden chest. Running after the tenuki had made them both very tired. They sat down on the mat to rest. Okay, see a student, क्या हुआ. The tenuki jump, वो जो चेंज होके आया था एनिमल वो जंप करने लगा और रूम में यहाँ वहाँ वो भागने लगा. बाउंडेड अप. द मीनिंग ऑफ बाउंडेड अबाउट मीन्स व्हाट, jumped about here and there. Okay, and again the meaning of chest. Okay, here now see first of all the meaning of this stanza. Okay, wooden chest come here na, this new word chest. The meaning of chest is a large strong box made of wood. Okay, जब टेनुकी उसमें से चेंज हो गया तो यहाँ वहाँ वो भागने लगा. ओके, वो वॉल के ऊपर जा रहा था, वो सीलिंग के ऊपर भी जाके पहुँच रहा था. द ओल्ड मैन कुड नॉट कैच इट. वो ओल्ड मैन को उसको पकड़ने को नहीं आया. सो ही कॉल्ड हिज नेबर. उसने नेबर को बुलाया और वो दोनों मिलके वो टेनुकू को किसी भी तरह से उन्होंने क्या किया, उसको कैच किया और एक वुडन बॉक्स में डाल दिया. और उसके पीछे पीछे भागते भागते वो दोनों भी टायर्ड हो गए और एक मैट के ऊपर जाके बैठ गए. What shall I do with this naughty animal? I don't want to keep it in the house, said the old man. Why don't you sell it off to Jimu, the peddler? The neighbor suggests. That's a good idea, said the old man. उसने बोला अभी मैं इसका क्या करूँ, ये बहुत ही नॉटी एनिमल है. तो एक उसके नेबर ने सजेस्ट किया कि जो जिमू है, जो पेडलर है, जो पर्सन जो सेल करता है डोर टू डोर जाके, उसको ये आप बेच दो. सो दे सेंट फॉर जिमू. व्हेन ही केम द ओल्ड मैन went to the chest and lifted the lid very carefully, but there was no tenuki inside, only the old man rusty kettle. The old man had found he did not now want to keep the kettle. He gave it away to Jimu without taking any money for it. जब वो जिमू वहाँ पे आया लेने के लिए, जब उन्होंने ओल्ड मैन ने उसको लीड को खोला उसको देखने के लिए टेनुकी को, तो वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं था, टेनुकी नहीं था. उसके बदले वहाँ पे वो ओल्ड किटल थी. ओके, तो उसने वो किटल उसको जिमू को दे दी और उससे कुछ मनी भी नहीं लिया. जिमू पुट द किटल इन हिज क्लॉथ बैग एंड स्टार्टेड ऑफ होम. ही फेल्ट that his bag was getting heavier and heavier on the way, but he did not put it down. On reaching home, Jimu put the bag away carefully in a corner. जब वो लेके जा रहा था तो उसको वो बैग जिसमें उसने वो किटल रखी थी वो हेवी लगने लगी थी, फिर भी उसने उसको नीचे नहीं रखा और घर पे जाके एक कॉर्नर में उसको बैग को रख दिया. At night, when Jimu was fast asleep, he heard a sudden noise and woke up. He could not see anything, but he thought he heard some noise in the corner. When he lit the lamp, he saw that the kettle had turned into a tenuki once again. It was running round, chasing its own tail. It ran here and there and jumped and turned some salts. Jimu sat watching the tenuki for a long time. Then he फेल asleep. ओके, उसके बाद रात को क्या हुआ, उसको आवाज़ सुनाई दी जिमू को, और वो उसने देखा कि वो वापस वो कीटल किस में कन्वर्ट हो गई थी, वो टेनुके में कन्वर्ट हो गई थी, और वो यहाँ वहाँ भाग रहा था। थोड़ी देर के लिए उसने उसको उसके पीछे लगा, वो उसको वॉच किया, और फिर उसके बाद वो वापस सो गया। When he got up in the morning, he saw that the tenuki had not run away. The old kettle was still there laying in a corner. He picked it up lovingly. फिर उसने दूसरे दिन देखा तो वहाँ पे वो किटल वैसी ही खड़ी थी। Do you wish to stay with me, tenuki? He asked. उसने उस किटल को पूछा, तेनुकी को पूछा, क्या आपको मेरे साथ रहना अच्छा लगेगा, आप रहना चाहोगे मेरे साथ? To his surprise, the tenuki answered in a human voice, I will stay with you and make you very rich. You can show me around. People will give a lot of money to see a kettle turn into a tenuki and dance. उसको भी अच्छा लगा तो उन्होंने बोला ह्यूमन वॉइस में, वो किटल ने उसको आंसर दिया, टेनुके ने उसको आंसर दिया, यस मुझे आपके साथ रहना अच्छा लगेगा, और अगर आप मुझे मेरे साथ आपके साथ रखोगे तो मैं आपको बहुत ही रिच बनाऊंगा। आप क्या करो, मुझे लेके पीपल में जाओ, और जब वो देखेंगे कि कीटल टर्न हो जाती टेनुके में और टेनुकी वापस कीटल बन जाता है तो उनको अच्छा लगेगा, और मैं डांस भी करूँगा और आपको मनी सब लोग दे देंगे। सो दैट्स वॉट they did. Jimu set up a boat with a platform. He put the kettle on the platform. At his command, the kettle turned into a tenuki. At Jimu's command, the little furry animal would then walk, run, jump, leap, turn, some sorts or dance. People love to see the kettle change into a playful little animal that could do all this. They paid Jimu well to see the show. Big crowd of people came to watch the show, and the dear little tenuki never disappointed them. Merrily it danced many dances. The shadow dance, the fan dance, the umbrella dance. It never tried off dancing. Okay. Now see here what happened. They both are doing these show when all the people see when the kettle change into the Jimu tenuki, and when the tenuki change into the kettle, it's very amazing to see these actions. So people, they are very like this show, and they are very happy about tenuki. Okay, and dance merry dance. The tenuki also do many different types of dance, shadow dance, rain dance, fan dance. Okay, so they like to watch this show. They give proper money to watching this show. Soon Jimu had collected lots and lots of money. He had become a very rich man. He said to the tenuki, dear tenuki, you have made me very rich. We can both live comfort now. We can स्टॉप द शोज़ इफ़ यू लाइक. ओके, उसने बोला, फिर वो मैन ने बोला टेनुकी, हम लोग अभी बहुत ही अमीर हो गए, अगर आपको ये शो बंद करना चाहते हो तो हम उसको स्टॉप करेंगे अभी, बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग लॉट्स ऑफ मनी. So they decided to stop the shows, but Jimu did not forget to old man who had given him the magic kettle. He gave some of the money to the old man. All of them lived long and happy lives. Jimu and the old man are no more, but you may still can across the magic kettle laying in a corner somewhere in Japan. It's an imaginary story. Okay, so at last Jimu did not forget the old man who had given these magic kettles without getting any money. So he gives some money to that old man, and again they live happily and long and happily they live with each other. Okay, now see a student, this is imaginary story. You take the loud reading of these lesson. Okay.